the number one problem that I want to solve is unemployment or even underemployment. Because and also I think it's because of my business background. And even as a graduate, when I graduated from college, I had a difficult time applying for a job. So I was like, I studied at a prestigious school. I had I had good performance, good grades, all these things, the connections. But still took me like 6, 7 months to find a job that I really wanted. So I imagined and realized now there's so many more Villanenses like that. And yeah, they say nga education is the key to poverty. But I'm like, yeah, even if you study and graduate from a school, kung wala kang siguradong trabaho, ano pa? So for me, employment is the next key. Or yeah, I say nga, ayun talaga yung makakatulong na sa pag-ahon sa kahirapan. And so one of the things I plan on doing is to have a livelihood center here in Binyan. So livelihood training center and even a train center where for the training center, people can do skills training. So like TESDA has these programs where you do like mechanical work, metal work, even cooking, all different skills for people to use when they apply for jobs and even to start their own businesses. So the trade center will be for us to what do you call this? Showcase Binyan products. So different products that we create here and make na homegrown Binyan talaga.